Hello children, today we are going to learn how to write letter I. Sound of the letter I is I. I says I, insect. Now see how we are going to write this letter with the help of standing and sleeping lines. So you have to start from this red line. Start from the dot and go down to make one standing line. Go down, 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 down and stop here at this blue line. Now you have to make one small sleeping line on this red line. And one small sleeping line on this blue line. Now again you will write and see how ma'am is writing. Now we start from this red line, make one standing line, go down, 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 down and stop at this blue line. Now we'll make one sleeping line, small sleeping line on this red line and one sleeping line on this blue line. Now this is your letter I. Now we'll practice one more time and you have to see carefully how ma'am is writing. We will start from this red line and make one standing line, go down, 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 down and stop. You will not go beyond this blue line. Make one sleeping line here and one sleeping line here at this blue line. Whenever we write letter, capital letter children, we always start from this red line. Now standing line, go down, 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 down and stop. One small sleeping line here on this red line and one small sleeping line here on this blue line. Now I am sure you must have noticed how ma'am is writing. So you will practice with Mama Papa at home and you will write few letters. After that you will tell Mama Papa not to put the dots for you. And you have to write in these lines without the dot. Happy learning!